Hey guys, in today's video we will be making this DIY Dollar Tree tiered tray. I am in love with how this turned out and you can make it for just a few dollars. If you want to learn how to make this easy DIY, just keep on watching. These are the items that you will need for this project. A 2-pack of the Dollar Tree stove burner covers, 2 of the glass candlestick holders, any type of spray paint, some kind of black paint. I use Waverly chalk, and E6000 glue in clear. The first thing that you are going to do is spray paint your burner covers and candlestick holders. You want to spray these in light coats and you let dry in between. Now we have our stuff spray painted and dry. I'm going to take my tray and give it a rustic weathered look. You do not have to do this part if you prefer the plain white. First, I'm going to take my Waverly paint in black. I use the color ink, along with a paper towel and a paintbrush, and I'm going to paint light layers of black around each piece. There is no pattern, just go by what you like and what looks good to you. Once I dip my paintbrush, I'm going to wipe off all of the excess paint on my paper towel just so it's not too harsh, and then I'm going to take my paintbrush and go around all of the edges of my tray. So here I'm applying a little bit of my black paint to the middle, and after that I'm going to get a little bit of rubbing alcohol and put it on my paper towel and just kind of blot it in and kind of make it look a little bit more natural and blend it in. So now you are going to want to take the largest burner cover and place it in front of you. You are then going to take your E6000 glue and apply it around the bottom of your candlestick. Once you are done applying your glue, find the center of your burner cover and stick it down. I used a measuring tape to help me find the center. Now you are going to take your second candlestick and apply glue to the top part of this candlestick, which is the smallest end. Then place the small end of that candlestick onto the small end of the other candlestick, line them up, and then push down. You will then take your glue and apply this to the top of your candle holder, which should be the largest end, and stick your smallest burner cover on top of this. I also use my measuring tape to help find the center. Push down firmly. The last thing I did was apply some black paint with my paintbrush like we did in the beginning to my candlesticks. And then you have your finished tiered tray made from materials from the Dollar Tree. If you had glue and paint at home, you can make this project for $3, which is a steal. I'm really excited to decorate this for each season. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe. I have 3 other Dollar Tree DIYs coming in the next few videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!